Hello, very good morning to all students. So today we are going to see chapter 3, Peter Saves Wendy. It's very beautiful story which is about the adventure. Okay, in this story we are going to see the Peter who is going to save the Wendy as she is his friend. And also there is a main protagonist. Okay, protagonist means main character of Captain Hook and Peter. The Captain Hook is the person who wants to take his revenge to Peter Pan. So in this case, what he wants, he wanted to capture Peter Pan's friends. Okay, let's see in this story what's going to be very beautiful. Lesson 3, Peter saves Wendy. Fantastic. Here is an expert from J.M. Barrie's Peter Pan. It tells us about the adventure of a boy named Peter Pan, who never grows up but can fly. He lives in a magical place called Neverland with his group of friends called the Lost Boys, a kind of fairy named Tinker Bell, and Wendy and her brothers. Peter's enemy is wicked pirate named Captain Hook, who has an iron hook in place of his right hand, which he lost in an accident. Captain Hook and his crew kidnap Wendy. Read on to find out if Peter is able to save his friends. Okay, some characters already I have told, and who is Tinker Bell? Tinker Bell is a little fairy. Okay. She is also good friend of Peter Pan. Whenever any kind of accidents may be going to happen, that time this Tinker Bell always observed and used to inform to Peter Pan. Let's see in this story what happened. Wendy was out in the forest when the Captain Hook and his gang of pirates captured her and the children. The pirates tied the hand and feet of the Wendy and other children with rope and took them to the ship. Okay, here what happened? The Captain Hook. Okay, he went into the forest and found out the Peter Pan's friends. He captured his friends and took them to the ship and tied them there with the pole. I want their captain, Peter Pan, Hook thundered. It was he who had fed my arm to that crocodile, whispered Hook, looking a little scared. Okay, here what is the main reason behind the capturing the children and Peter's friend? The reason is that this Captain Hook wanted to take the revenge to Peter Pan. Okay, so he is asking for the Peter Pan. He is saying to his friend that he is looking for Peter Pan. In what? In thunder. Okay, he is scaring to the children and shouting over there and looking a little scared. Okay, while saying about the Peter Pan, this Captain Hook also is scared. Okay, before saying about or going to talk about the Peter Pan and he is scared. We have noticed your strange fear of crocodile, said one of his pirates. Okay, here the pirates means what? Pirates means the gang of people who used to rob in the sea. Okay. So one of the pirates, okay, one person from the Captain Hook's gang, he is saying that they have noticed, okay, उनको पता चल गया है कि जो कैप्टन हुक है उसका क्या है, जो डर है उसके बारे में वो बताता है कि हमको पता लग गया है कि क्या हो गया है कि आपको एक डर है, किससे? पीटर पैन से. नेक्स्ट, नॉट ऑफ क्रोकोडाइल बट ऑफ दैट वन क्रोकोडाइल. It liked my arms so much that it has followed me ever since to eat the rest of me. Okay, here this Captain Hook is saying that he is not scared of all crocodile. Okay, he is not scaring from other crocodile. He is scaring only one crocodile who took away or ate up his hand. Okay. said. Thankfully, that the crocodile had swallowed a clock, and whenever it is close by, one could hear the tick tick inside it. Okay, now what Hook is saying? Okay, Captain Hook is saying that he is very thankful. Okay, he is saying that the crocodile who swallowed his hand. Okay, the crocodile who ate his hand, he also swallowed with the hand what? The clock, which used to sound like tick tick tick. So he is very graceful against it, because what? Whenever this crocodile come there, then this Captain Hook came to know that the crocodile just near him. So he, on that time, he ran away from there. So before it can reach me, I hear the tick and run. Okay, here the Captain Hook is saying that whenever this crocodile come to near Captain Hook, that time he hear the tick. Okay, the sound of clock, and what he does? He run away from there. Hook found Peter sleeping. Okay, he noticed some bottles of the medicines lying on a chair nearby. Quietly he poisoned the medicine and tiptoed away. Okay, here what happened? This Captain Hook, one day he went in search for the Peter Pan, and he found somewhere the Peter Pan is lying. Okay, he is sleeping there, and what? He found that some medicine are on the table. So this Captain Hook got some ideas. Okay, he brought some poison. Okay, poison, and dropped into the medicine of Peter Pan, and he quietly tiptoed. Okay, quietly he poisoned the medicine and tiptoed away. Okay, tiptoe means quietly go away from the place. Watching all of this was Tinker Bell, a fairy. She flew to Peter and found him taking a nap. She woke him up, and in her silvery, fluttery, tinkly manner told him that Wendy was in the trouble. Okay, now what happened? The Tinker Bell was watching this all incident, what the Captain Hook was doing. Okay, what did Captain do? This he poisoned the medicine. Okay, and now the Tinker Bell was watching everything, what activities the Captain Hook was doing. So she found that now Captain Hook is already went from there, and now she found the Peter Pan who is taking sleep. Okay, nap means what? Short sleep. Okay, for the, not for a long time, but for short period sleeping. So she went to Peter Pan and woke him up, and told all the incident what the Captain Hook did with the medicines. And after that, all also incident what she explained about his friends, that Wendy and other friends are in trouble. So who told this whole incident? Tinker Bell told to the Peter Pan. I must save her, but how? Said Peter. Then he got an idea. Okay, now Peter is saying, I must save. Okay, he is saying that he wants to save his friends, but now he is thinking how he can save them. After that, he got one idea. Okay, now his idea is what we will see. Before rushing out, he decided to take his medicine, but Tinker Bell stopped him. Okay, now before leaving the place, okay, where he was sleeping, that time he is going to take his medicines, and what happened? The Tinker Bell came there and stopped him. Okay, she told him that do not take the medicine. What is the reason behind it to stop him? The reason is that the Captain Hook, who poisoned the medicine, that's why the Tinker Bell is stopping him to take medicine. Why not? He asked. It is poisoned, she said. Okay, here why not? He asked. He is who? He is Peter Pan. He is asking to this Tinker Bell that why he cannot take the medicine, and she explained. Okay, that these medicines are what? They are poisoned. Poisoned. Who could have poisoned it? Hook. Okay. Now here this Captain Peter Pan is asking to the Tinkerbell that who did this. Then this Tinkerbell is saying that this who did, Captain Hook did this all incidents. Thus Peter was saved and rushed out to save Wendy. Okay, after this all Peter is saved. Okay, Peter को बचा लिया जाता है. He walked through the forest looking for the pirate's ship. Okay, now what he did? Now Peter Pan is going to save his friends. So he has to go through the forest, and now he is looking for what? The pirates always used to stay in sea, in the ship. So he is looking for the pirate ship. He found Hook walking up and down the deck. Deep, I thought. Okay, now Captain, this Peter Pan is thinking that this Hook, he is walking on the ship. Okay, up and down. He is coming down and going back. He is doing this incident in the deep thought. Okay, he is thinking how he is going to kill the Peter Pan, what incident he will do with this Peter Pan. So in this thinking, he is walking on the ship. Captain Hook. The children stood in line before him, all chained up so that they could not escape. All of them were shivering. Wendy was tied to a tall post. Okay, now what? This Peter Pan shows that all of his friends are tied to the pillar with what? With chain, and this Wendy is separately tied with the post. Okay, with the pole. Hook told Wendy how he was going to kill them one by one. He smiled wickedly as he waited to hear her cry in fear. Instead, he heard something else. Okay, now this Captain Hook, he is laughing wickedly. Okay, he is laughing badly and saying all the children and Wendy that how he is going to kill them one by one. And in this what? Now he heard some other sound. And what kind of sound? It's about the crocodile. It was terrible of tick of the crocodile. They all heard it and turned in the direction from which the sound was coming. Okay, now what? Who turned to the direction of the sound? The pirates. Okay, the gang of Captain Hook. They all heard the sound of tick. Okay, tick sound. Who was doing this sound? The crocodile. Okay, which swallowed the hand of Captain Hook. Hook's face turned pale with fright. Yow, he yelled, the crocodile. He is coming. He has come back for me again. Hide me. Okay, now the Captain Hook is shouting that he is saying that the crocodile already arrived there, and now what? He is shouting that okay, save me, no, otherwise run away from here. The crocodile again came and he will eat up us all. The pirates took Hook away to a safe hiding place. When Hook was gone, some of the ships sighed to see the crocodile climbing it. They got a sweetest surprise. There was no crocodile climbing up. It was Peter who was making the ticking sound. Okay, now when the Captain Hook is safely taken from the ship, and that time some of the pirates, okay, they turned to the direction from where the sound was coming, and actually what? They found that Peter Pan is coming. Okay, they got a surprise. There is no crocodile. In crocodile place there is who is? Peter Pan, who is coming with the sound of tickings. It was you, cried Wendy. I thought it was the crocodile. Okay, now Wendy came to know that who is making the sound, who was making the sound? The sound was making by Peter Pan. So she surprised and said that I thought it is crocodile, but and that instead of crocodile, who is there? The Peter Pan. So did Hook, said Peter, smiling. Okay, so after that, what happened? How this when this Captain Hook is ran away from there, and all other pirates also gone away from there. That time, this Peter Pan came and saved Wendy and other friends. So how we can see the all incident end with the happy ending. Okay, thank you.